So hello everyone. In the today's class, we will be discussing about Python operators. So what operators does? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and its values. So for example, let me write print 10 plus 5. So it is operate. So here this plus sign indicates the operator. So now what's that operator is? It is addition operator which comes under arithmetic operations. So let me run it. It will result as 15. Okay, like such. In the same way, there are different types of operators like arithmetic operators, identity operators, logical operators, assignment operators, comparison operator. So in the same sequence, we will be discussing in one by one videos. But for the first one, we will be discussing about the arithmetic operations. So let me write a comment here that arithmetic operators. So the basic arithmetic operators, I think you know, that is plus and minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These all the operators you already know, but let me write an example for you. So print 10, add, that denotes the addition operator. Next, print 10 minus 5, that denotes subtraction operator. Then print 10, that is the symbol of multiplication, that is press shift plus 8 in your keyboard, and then 10 into 5, and then print 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5. So these are the four arithmetic operators that you already know. So what that gives us the output, that is 15, and that is 10. That is 10 into 5, 50. 10 by 5, 2. So let me show you the output for these four operators that you already know, and then we'll discuss some other operators that we don't know. So our output is right. So these are the basic arithmetic operators, and one is modulus operator. What it does is use the percentage symbol in between, like let me write here 31, and if I use percentage symbol and I write 5, so what will it give to us result? It will give the result as the remainder. Let me write the comment here, modulus, and returns remainder. In the next, if I run it, it will show us the output as 1. Like this. So this is our output as 1. Next, in the same way, there is another method, that is exponential. So print exponential. For exponential, just use as 2 and use double multiplication like this, and then 3, and then close it. So comment exponentiation. What does it do? Exponential basically gives you the value to the power. Like here I have written 2 and here I have written 3. So it will give the output as 2 into 2 into 3. Sorry, not 3, 2. So it will give the output 3 times of the same multiplication. Means like if we want the square of something, so we can give here as value 2. If we can if we want cube like this, so we have given the value as 3. So in the same way, let me run the same program, so it will result as 8, because 2 into 2 into 2 will result 8. But that's the small digit, so we have done it by ourselves. But when it is bigger digits like that, I want the output in that form, that 89 into 89 into 89 and the so on till 8 times, means I want the same output till 8th time. Okay, so it will then difficult for us to find, but since it is a computer, so it can easily perform these operations. So what we are doing is using the exponential operator, we will be able to find the larger calculation in just seconds, in just few seconds. Okay, so now if I run it, we have already seen the example of 2 to the power 3, and now we are seeing the 89 to the power 8. So we are not able to calculate that higher values, that much of higher values. Okay, so it will make our task very easy. Next is floor division. Floor division actually, wait, floor division, just do uh, as right here 67, some values that you want to write. Let me write an easier value first for you. So 15, and here if I write 2. So floor values worked as a round off operator that you have studied. Like we have studied that if there is 7.8.92, the 778. So we know that it will when I will round it off, it will result as 8.8, and when I will round it off till this digit, so it will result as 9. So in the same way, this floor division operator works as, means it rounds the result to the nearest whole number. Let me write here as a comment that floor division. Okay, floor division, and it returns the result down to the nearest whole number. So these all are the basic arithmetic operators. Let me run the same program. So uh, if I run it, it will result as, if I run with this, it will result as 7.5. Let me remove from here as 15 into, so that you can differentiate these two operators. So here I have written 15 divided by 2, and here I have written 15 floor divided by 2. So it will result as 7.5, and it will result as 7 only, because it does round off of that value. So 7.5 is the nearest to 7 as the whole number. So now if I run it, it will show us the output as such. So can you see the difference between these two values? That is, first one is 7.5 and next one is 7 only. So this is only difference between the division operator and floor division, and make sure to remember this